Right, okay. So this is a test, Grandpa, to show you that your electric motor is working fine. Here we have a 6-volt battery, which we've taken from this torch. Right, and here we have 6-volt battery. Here we have 2 electrical contacts, and when we put this into here and that into there, move our finger out. I don't think yours is touching, friends. That's it. And here it is, spinning round. So that shows the electric motor's working. Right, good. Okay, so in this experiment then, what we're going to do is we're going to take this meter, we're going to take 2 pins from this box, from Susie's sewing box, like that. We're going to take the 2 pins and we're going to put them into these electrical contacts here. We're going to put this in the frying pan. I'm going to put a drop of oil in to make sure it's nice and warm. And what we're going to do is we're going to put it on a gentle heat, and then we're going to see if we can get any electricity out of these 2 pins, from these 2 pins, from this.
What does electricity look like?
It's invisible electricity, and we're going to measure it on this device here, which is called a digital voltmeter. So I'll just move that out of the way, and what I'll do is I'll turn the digital voltmeter around so that you can see the readings. I suspect this is what the problem is, so we'll take that. Now let's have a drop of oil, so that we know that we've got good thermal contact on the bottom.
We don't have much left.
That's right, we only need a little bit of oil.
We should get a bit. We should get a bit more.
That's right, that's sitting nicely on there now. Now we need to switch on the, so if you boys just stand back.
Okay.
So we'll get
Stand up there.
there, put that on there. And we'll go for the left hand. Fire that up. Now, we'll give it a second. Give it a second to get hot. And then we'll start measuring. Where's our 2 pins? What did we do that on? Our 2 pins are over on this side. So we need to take our 2 pins and we need to put them into here where the electrical contacts are. That's not the right one, is it? Because that is getting hot. I might just switch that off now because that's hot. I don't want to burn my hand. Right, there we are. So now let's see if we've got a voltage on our machine. Do you want to come and stand around here, boys, so you can see? Can you come and stand around there? Can you see that screen?
Yeah.
There, we're looking for that. Stand on your tiptoes.
I'm standing right on.
Right. It's a little bit of voltage, but not much. 0.2 of a volt, 0.2. 0.2. So that's 0.2 of a volt. And we were using 3 volts previously, so it's not putting out a lot of electricity, that. But really, it's not hot yet, actually. So I'm guessing actually that. So that is giving out. That gave out 0.2 of a volt, but I can actually touch that for it to work on when it gets really hot on the log burning stove. It may well be throwing out 1.5 volts. So from these tests, we can't conclude anything because the motor works and this works. So what we'll need to do is we'll need to bring this test apparatus to Granny and Papa's next time, and we'll need to test it, won't we, when we're at the fire, to see what happens. Okay, so sorry about that, but it's quite interesting as an experiment.